What's going on? Sounds like a damn screaming contest.
My lord, I didn't believe you would be up this early.
What do you expect? Have you seen these ears?
Hi, Lord Beerus, what's up? Whoa, talk about a sneeze! Good thing it missed us. I definitely wasn't ready for that.
Yeah, clearly we need to stay on guard around here.
It's just a moon this time, so we won't need a do-over.
Now that I think about it, what are you two punch jockeys doing on my world anyway?
We asked Whis to train us, and he was nice enough to agree.
Yes, say, and I figured that much. I'm not a fool.